Hi everybody, it's Nadia here again, and I'm bringing to you a drugstore makeup look that I have to go to because of how much I sweat. It's obviously more pronounced at this time of year, so basically I am trying to not wear as much foundation and using powder because I can top up on powder, whereas foundation, it just sweats off my face. I thought I would just come with a demonstration on what I've actually been doing. I think 99% of this is drugstore. There might be one or two bits, but they're in my project pan. I still want to look nice when I go out, and you go out for a coffee and within like half an hour my makeup's just dripping off me. So, and because I've got pretty reasonable good skin, it's not like I need it for the coverage, it's just to make it all even. I am going first of all going in with the e.l.f. Illuminating Primer Mist. So there we go, and then just use my little fan and fan my face. See, that's given me a nice subtle glow. Next thing I'm going in is with the Revlon Photo Ready primer. This is in my project pan, and I do like this primer, especially around my pores. It makes my pores so much smaller because we don't want big pores, and I love this. This blurs so well. So the next thing that I'm going to go in with is the number 7 Skin Illumination. Don't know how this is going to go on top of underneath the powder, but I'm hoping that I don't have to use a lot of powder. Might go horribly wrong and I might be washing my face, but I do like this. It hasn't taken away any of the pore filler, it's just given me that nice glow. I'm hoping it's come across as really nice. So I could leave it there, but I'm going to go in with the Essence Stay All Day 16 Hour Concealer Dark Bags. I'm going to be using this. I've took the stopper out, this is in my project pan, and obviously I'm getting more out than I normally would do. So I'm just going to put it sort of where I normally do, and then use my beauty blender just to blend it all out. And make sure that my nose is blended this time, because I know in one of my videos I didn't blend my nose out and it looked really daft. So as you can see, although it's not done a ginormous lot, obviously when you're using foundation it also goes under the eyes, so you get better coverage. With this you get quite medium coverage, and because I'm using a sponge as well, that also does that. But I'm just doing this to get rid of the discoloration slightly. So that's really as refresh my skin. I am under my eyes because I don't want to put the powder foundation under my eyes, so I'm going in with Kat Von D. This is the only expensive technically, but because it's a mini it was £10 or £12, and because I only use it under my eyes I only need a little one, so I'm just going to set under my eyes. So that's set beautifully. This is in F2 with the Revolution Pro Powder Foundation. I bought this a long time ago and realised that it was actually a pressed foundation, and I've never used it. We're gonna, what they say, give it a go, and that's what it looks like. And I'm going to go in with a big brush to just lightly, so that it's not as heavy, and also then I can blend everything on top. So as you can see, I think this might be a little bit too light for me. It's just given me enough coverage for me to be comfortable to go out and not have to worry about it, because I've got the stay matte in there, and if I'm feeling that bad I'll just take it off again. Not gonna know until the time arrives, but I'm feeling a little bit dull. So I've got this Revolution contour kit. So here's my dose of colour brush. I'm going to go into the quite the light one and just contour. I might actually add some of the dark one as well. If anything, I'd say this is more of a bronzer colour. Really sorry if you can hear my fan, but in the UK we don't have ACs and I need my fan on. So, and we'll see how this lasts. I will be coming back to this to do my highlighter. So I've got the Natural Collection bronzer, and we're just gonna warm my skin up with this bronzer, which actually looks like, oh no, it does actually look good. So I'm just lightly going over my face just to warm it up a little bit. Oh, that looks really nice, and it went on top of everything beautifully. That's really nice. So before I go into anything else, I'm going to start off with my eyes, because the blush, I've got 3 blushes and I don't know which one's going to suit the eye look, so I'll do all that afterwards. But I'm going to put on some lip balm, but everybody knows this is my only one that I use. The eyeshadow palette that I'm going in with today is this one from Revolution. It's the I Heart Revolution one, and it's called Snow Globe. So I bought this a while ago and it's just been sat in the drawer, guys. It's really bulky. This is really heavy. All the weight is in the glass. Wouldn't be ideal for travelling with. I think it's going to be a lilac look today of sorts. I'm just going to prime my eyes. So I'm going to take this cream colour just here, and I'm just going to put that in my crease. See how the colour is. That looks pretty orange to me. Why can't I ever get an eyeshadow palette that actually is the colour it's supposed to be? So I think I'm going to go in with this light one up here and then the dark brown and try them two together. So that is so much better. It's making it look slightly purple, which is what I want. And taking the middle shade, I'm going to take a little brush. This is the E18, and I'm just going to pat this on the outer part of my eye. This is more of a satin finish, so I don't know what I'm going to get. I'm just pack it on first and then going in my crease. Going back in with my normal brush and just going to blend this out and blow it out. This is very satin, and I didn't really want satin, but you live with what you've got. I'm just going to run a little bit of that underneath my lower lash line. So I'm just taking a packing brush and I'm going to take this one just here and see what we get. I think this is gorgeous colour. Oh, that's nice. It's gone on really well to say I've not wet my brush. So, I'm like doing a cut crease, but not. Making it look like it's a cut crease, and I'm just bringing it all the way over to this to meet it up, because I think that looks nice. And also on the bottom lash line, Just a third of the way in. This palette's performed so nicely. It's a pity there's not more mattes in it. For my inner corner, I'm going to go with this one just here, out of the Revolution one. Oh, pop in. Right guys, I'm going to go off, put my brows on and mascara, and I'll be back to finish the rest of the face look. So guys, I'm back with my mascara on, which I use the Maybelline Colossal. I use the e.l.f. eyeliner, and so I'm going to be using this Avon one. It's a really old one, but it's like purpley colour, so I'm hoping that it doesn't clash. Ooh, don't do that, look at that. I know I said I wanted a blush one, but I didn't mean that much. But it does look nice. Just taking my big powder brush and going to really rub this in. But I must admit, that looks stunning now. Just have to remember this is really pigmented, but this is really, really old. So for highlighter, I'm going back into the Contour and Glow, and I'm just gonna go between the two, sort of. See, I always do it on that side, I can never see it. Oh, that's pretty. That's popping. That is really nice. It's emphasising my skin a little bit, but I've got two of the L'Oreal Paris ones, and obviously red's just gonna really clash, so I'm going to try this nude one. Oh, that's a weird applicator. No, that don't work. It's very peachy. So I've got a Revolution lip liner, and I'm just going to outline my lips and fill them in. And then I've got this e.l.f. lipstick. So this is a really gorgeous nude, so nudie brown. So hopefully this goes. Oh, try this Colourpop one. You know, we'll get there. This is a nice Revolution lipstick. I've used it before, but only once or twice. Very matte lipstick. It's still very nice. And I think it goes so much better with what I've got on. The eyeshadow palette, as long as you like purples, the browns do nothing, but it's okay. I'm going to put some setting spray on now, and this is the High Art Revolution in Pineapple. So, I did try out the watermelon one, but let's try this one out. It doesn't smell of pineapples. It's got a smell to it, but it's not pineapple. So for now, yes, I like this. I'm going to carry on using it and come with updates on things that I've used once. Same as with the foundation, looks really nice. And well, I'll see how it holds up today. I like this. I do like this palette. This palette is really, really, really nice. Setting spray. Nothing fantastic to write home about. It's supposed to be brightening, but I suppose it is a little bit. But I think that's from all my glowy set sprays that I've used. Oh, I love this bronzer. Love this bronzer. Yeah, really nice. I love this colour, but just not with this eye look. It doesn't look right, so these will definitely be tested in another, not tested in another video. I'll keep testing them and see if I like the formula and everything, and I'll let you know in a further update. That is basically it for the new stuff. There wasn't a lot, but like I said, I want to try powder foundation because of the way, you know, I am sweating now, so I'm hoping that having the powder foundation on won't crease as much. So I've sunken into my lines a little bit here. So I hope you guys enjoyed this look. If you did, would love for you to hit the subscribe button, tap the bell, and it'll let you know when I bring another video out. We'll see you in my next one. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.